Last month, I sat down with our bank statements and found money I did not know we were losing. Not a little money, over $500 every single month. I want to show you exactly what I looked at. Every category, every number, because what I found changed how we think about our budget completely. By the end of this video, you will know whether your family has hidden money too. Here is the thing about family budgets. We are not bad with money. We are just busy. And when you are running a household, working, raising kids, you stop paying attention to the small things, the subscriptions that auto-renew, the Wednesday night food delivery because nobody had energy to cook, the Sunday lunch out that turned into a habit. None of it feels like a lot in the moment, but it adds up to a number that will shock you. The first place I looked was subscriptions. We were paying $219 every month across streaming services, apps, memberships, and a few things I genuinely did not remember signing up for. I went through every single line and asked one question: have we used this in the last 30 days? If the answer was no, it got canceled. We kept the 3 we actually use. Our subscription total dropped from $219 down to $86 a month. That is $133 back in our budget every single month from 1 hour of work. The second category was the one that surprised me the most: food delivery. We were spending $189 a month on delivery apps. That felt impossible when I first saw it, but when I counted the orders, it was real. About 4 orders a week, averaging $45 each with fees and tip. The fix was not cutting it completely forever. It was being intentional. We kept one takeout night on Fridays as a family thing. The rest of the week, I have 5 dinners written on a notepad in the fridge. That one change saved nearly $200 a month. Groceries were harder because we do need to eat. We were spending $940 a month for our family. After looking at what we were actually buying versus what we were actually eating, 2 things stood out. We were buying produce that went bad before we used it, and we were buying ingredients for recipes we never made. We switched to a simple rule: buy what is on the meal plan, nothing else. Our grocery bill dropped to around $820. That is $120 saved just by buying what we will actually eat. The last category was dining out. We were spending $237 a month eating at restaurants. We did not want to stop going out entirely because that is part of how we connect as a family. So we set a limit: $150 a month, 2 intentional dinners out instead of 4 casual ones. We actually enjoy it more now because it feels like something we chose instead of something that just happened. Here is what all of that adds up to: subscriptions, food delivery, groceries, dining out, $529 saved every single month. Not from earning more, not from a side hustle, just from looking at where the money was going and making a few clear decisions. That is over $6,000 a year that was leaving our account without us noticing. I turned this entire process into a step-by-step guide called the Family Budget Reset. It walks you through every category the same way I just showed you, with worksheets to find your own numbers, a subscription audit checklist, a meal planning template, and a 4-week reset plan. It is $22. The link is in the description. Most families who go through it find at least $200 in their first month. That is a 10-to-1 return in the first 30 days. If you found this helpful, share it with one person you know who is stressed about money right now. And if you want to see exactly how we track our budget month to month, subscribe because that video is coming next. Thank you for watching.